This is the Bathmate Hydro7 pump, and I've already used it for more than 60 days and got amazing results with it. And in this video I want to compare the Hydro7 pump with the HydroMax7 pump. So you actually receive this in this white discreet package, so this way no one has to know what you actually ordered. So if I open it up, you can see that it says Bathmate HydroMax7, and this is how the front of the package looks like. And just like the other pump, it has a 2-year warranty. And the reason that I decided to upgrade is due to the buzz that the last video got. It almost has like 40k views in less than a month, and I haven't had a video like this in ages, because I literally can't remember the last time a video performed this well. And thus I completely understand you guys want to be updated when it comes to my Bathmate journey, and the best way to do this is to upgrade to the HydroMax7 to get better results. So inside of the package you receive the HydroMax7, a free sample Joachim serum, and the HydroMax user guide. So when it comes to the normal Hydro7, all you can do with the valve is to open and close it manually with your fingers. Whilst when it comes to the HydroMax7, you can have an open position and closed position. So if you press it down and to the side like this, now it's closed. And if you want to open it up again, you push it back to the middle, and there we go. Another thing is the comfort pad, because when it comes to the normal Hydro7 pump, it doesn't have a comfort pad around this area, and thus when you're squeezing it against your body, sometimes for some individuals it can be a little bit irritating, and if you're someone that has very sensitive skin, you might feel the tension when you're squeezing it against your body. Whilst when it comes to the HydroMax7, you get yourself this comfort pad, and obviously this makes it a lot more comfortable. So it's inside of it like this, and it's very easy to remove it, and this way it's also easy to clean your penis pump. But besides that, the main difference between the Hydro7 and the HydroMax7 is that when it comes to the HydroMax7, it is up to 35% more powerful. And that's the reason that I decided to upgrade, because when it comes to this pump, it is more powerful, and thus this way it will give you more significant results. But that's not the only thing that I received. I also received the Hydro Vibe. So let me open it up. And this is how the package looks like. It says Hydro Vibe, Hydrotherapy Ring. And if you wonder what a Hydro Vibe is, on the website it says the following: at an all new level of performance for your Bathmate Hydro pump. If you've used one of our Bathmate penis pumps, you know about the fantastic gains they create for power and firmness. While the pumps deliver great results whenever used, we've just developed Bathmate Hydro Vibe, a brand new way to get even better performance with your penis pump. So this doesn't only feel nice, but it will also give you better results when it comes to the uses of your hydro pump. So inside of the package you receive the Hydro Vibe user guide and the Hydro Vibe itself. So you unscrew the cap over here and remove the white ring before use. Press it once and it starts to vibrate. And you've got a lot of different options in terms of your own preference, and if you hold it again, then it stops to vibrate, and you can do it with both sides, and all you have to do is to wrap it around your hydro pump. You also get 2 USB charging cables for your bullets. I've stopped using the Hydro7 and I decided to upgrade to the HydroMax7, because the HydroMax7 has up to 35% more power and hopefully will give me better results. It also has this comfort pad, which will make a lot more convenient to use it, and this lockable valve. So I'm gonna use the HydroMax7 alongside with the Hydro Vibe, because this way I can maximize my results, because the Hydro Vibe adds another dimension when it comes to your Bathmate routine to maximize your results. Another thing that I want to mention when it comes to my results in terms of using the hydro pump products from Bathmate is that when it comes to my girth size after using the hydro pump, it is a lot bigger than it previously was. So a quick thing that I've started to do, so instead of holding it constantly very tight against my body, I slightly let go of the pressure, so it's still very tight against my body, but I'm not completely squeezing against my body, and this way it gives it more room to create that internal pressure, and whilst that's happening, I point it a little bit upwards, and this has resulted in a huge increase when it comes to my girth size. So that's a quick update from me. So if you want to check the HydroMax7 out for yourself, or even the Hydro Vibe, I will have a link in the description and the pinned comment. And if you'd like to be updated when it comes to my Bathmate hydro pump journey, definitely consider to hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time and hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.